So, ito po yung report ko. Lesson 6, things to consider in data instruction. So, yan yung mga objectives. So, di ba kapag, nagplano kayo ng mga kaibigan mo na pumunta sa beach, maraming mga bagay na i-consider. Like, yung mga damit nyo, or ano ba pagkain na lalagyan, gano'n, di ba? Ganun din po sa instructional plan, yung maraming i-consider. So, these are the 6 things to consider in planning instruction. So, una is content, pangalawa is objectives, classroom environment, students, and meetings. So, content. Sino gusto magbasa? Lovely.
Content. One of the primary elements that should be considered in instructional planning is the content. Basically, teachers need to know what they will teach in order to effectively prepare their lesson.
So, content. So, as a future teacher or teacher, kailangan na muna natin matutunan or alam yung content na ituturo natin. So, one of the primary elements that should be considered in instructional planning is the content. So, dito papasok yung tinatawag na knowledge. So, these are the two types of knowledge. Number 1 is declarative knowledge. 2 is procedural knowledge. Sa declarative, entails knowing about something comes in the form of facts, concepts, and generalizations. So, when we say knowledge, it is all about event information and skills acquired by a person through experience and education. So dito is more form siya na facts, concepts, and generalization. While doon sa procedural knowledge, knowing how to do something is in the form of skills.
Nagpapamasahe ka pag pumupunta kayo? Ay, pag
So
umuwi
dito
ka?
naman sa
Nagpapamasahe ka?
sa declarative, sinasagot ang tanong na ano ba ang
Magkano ang pamasahe papunta sa inyo?
matutunan na learners? So declarative knowledge
Dahil doon.
comes in the form of facts, concepts,
Malapit kayo sa Panula Fancy? Ay, doon ba?
sa declarative knowledge pala, dito pumapasok yung lower order skills. While doon naman sa procedural is in the form of higher order yan, pa-content. Kailangan kapag teacher ka, ay alam mo muna yung tinuturo mo para matawag ka effectively prepare the lesson. O maging prepared ka sa lesson na ituturo mo sa mga bata. So, two types of knowledge. Yan yung mga declarative and the words of facts, concepts, and sino gusto magbasa? Ate Les.
In our geography class, identifying the elements of map is an example of declarative knowledge, while determining the absolute location of the Philippines on the world map is an example of procedural knowledge. In history, knowing the significant eras and events in the Philippines Revolution is an example of declarative knowledge, while critically analyzing primary sources from this period is exercise of procedural knowledge.
So yan, content and dito yung two types of knowledge.
Pwede na. Huwag na lang sa Ate Goy.
events, and other things in instruction and assessment.
Ate Goy. Ate Greg.
Should not be the case at present. Especially that the physical curriculum framework for social
Kung saan
studies
na.
also highlights the procedural knowledge. Procedural knowledge is the work of medical competencies and skills. The table below shows examples of such competencies and skills. It is important to develop this high level of procedural knowledge in our students to ensure that we will produce learners equipped with the 21st century skills. So, sinasabi daw nila na yung mga educators daw is But